morning, you guys. It's Makindra back at it again with another video. So the first thing I did this morning was I just woke up. I just started rolling out of bed. I ended up looking for Shane. I didn't know that he was already up, actually cleaning, which is a first. So yeah, I'm just getting up, putting my hair up, and then I start making the bed. Oh yes, I did actually wake up at 11:30 to be exact. It is very late, I understand, but it was my day off and I was extremely exhausted. I didn't go to bed till like 2:30. Okay, so I noticed when I woke up this morning that my bedroom and our living area was extremely messy and it was really bothering me, so I instantly just got up and felt the urge to just start cleaning it all. Not just for the sake of the video, just because it was really bothering me, and this is something that I typically do every day anyways. So as you can see, we just kind of leave our stuff laying around and waiting for it to eventually be picked up. So I'm just basically picking up our dining area and our coffee station, and then eventually I get to the living room because Shane, if you are watching this, pick up after yourself. Okay, I know that that wasn't a lot of stuff that he left on in the living room, but still, you don't understand how much it becomes when it just piles on and piles on and piles on. So I just had to do it. I just had the urge. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and head downstairs and make myself some breakfast now that I'm ready to eat something. And in this case, I just went ahead and ate the rest of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch that we had. Okay, and this is something that I literally do every single day. I will sit at my laptop and I'll go over all my YouTube stuff. I'll go through my agenda just to see. I'm starting to be a lot more organized in what I'm doing now, just because it's become something that I really actually enjoy doing. I love doing YouTube. I think it's fun. It allows me to have all my creativity just flow into something. And also, I was watching Danielle Holland. If you do not watch her and you love true crime, I would highly recommend her. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up all the dishes that I made this morning so Shane didn't yell at me. I felt bad since he had just cleaned the house. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and cleaning that up. Okay, so now flash forward, I'm going ahead and just get dressed. We do have our doctor's appointment today, so I did have to get ready. We had it at 1:30, so I didn't have much time. But this is the outfit. Also, look, the bump is definitely coming in, especially after I ate lunch. It was definitely there, and Shin was like, whoa, my pants got a little too tight today, not even gonna lie. Okay, and so now I just went ahead and started brushing my hair, putting it on the necessities, you know, deodorant, and then I ended up putting my hair up in a low ponytail, leaving my bangs out. Alrighty guys, and that is it for this morning routine. It was a little bit of a challenge, I'm not even gonna lie, but I actually really liked it. I thought it was really cool bringing you guys along throughout my morning. It was a little bit different, never done something like that, so yeah. But we... Let me position you. We just want to let you guys know that we love you and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please leave a like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. We love you guys. Thank you so much and have a good day.